everyone, welcome back to the Rhode Island series. Today is day 3 and we are on our way to Block Island, an island located almost 9 miles from the south of mainland Rhode Island. We had to take a ferry from the mainland and it took us approximately an hour to reach the beautiful, popular summer tourist destination. Before boarding the ferry, we looked around the port and had some quick breakfast. Block Island is known for bicycling, hiking, sailing, fishing, and its rocky beaches. The ferry ride was $20 per person, which included both going to the island and also returning. Come, let's explore Block Island. For someone like me who enjoys the journey like the destination, the ferry ride was so calming and beautiful. The vast ocean in front of me and the boat with all its speed cutting through the water. It was spectacular. People can also take their car in the ferry with a charge of $80, but we decided to park it at the mainland. After an hour of sailing, we finally reached Block Island. The vibe of the island was so nice. It was a little chilly and windy. It was almost 1 p.m. so we decided to finish with lunch first. We had our lunch at National Hotel and the food was really good. Usually these small town restaurants serve the fresh catch of the day. We ordered some fish and chips and appetizers. Pink soda was on the house. The fish was so good and had the perfect crunch. We had a hearty meal. After lunch, we strolled on the rocky beaches for a while before hitting our first destination. As I mentioned before, it is not necessary to bring a vehicle. The island is highly walkable and bikeable and you can either bring your own bicycle or rent one on the island. Mopeds are also available for rent on the island and it's a fun way to zip around to its beaches, cliffs and lighthouse. We took an island cab and headed towards Moan Bluff. People say it is the most beautiful spot on the island, harboring a secluded place to swim and surf. It is a bit of a climb to get there. However, with a set of 141 steps leading down to the sand, it is not very difficult. The view is spectacular with clay cliffs that offer the most dramatic views of Atlantic in all of Rhode Island. Block Island Southeast is a lighthouse located on Mohegan Bluff at the southeastern corner of Block Island. It was designated a U.S. National Historic Landmark in 1997 as one of the most architecturally sophisticated lighthouses built in states. You can get stunning views of the ocean from the lighthouse. It was almost 4:30 p.m. and we had our ferry at 5 p.m. In fact, the 5 p.m. ferry is the last trip we make back to the mainland. It was such a fun-filled day. The setting sun looked mesmerizing. I am definitely coming back to Block Island. There were so many other spots, but due to time crunch, we could not cover those. This marks the end of the Rhode Island series. 3 days of so much good times and learning so much about this wonderful country. Thank you everyone for being with me and showering me with so much love and support. I couldn't have done this without you guys. We are returning back to New Jersey today. If you liked the video, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. This is Nimantrita signing off. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.